SOLIDWORKS PDM local cache management can impact both the data security and performance on client workstations. With the CacheRefresh utility, we will be able to perform maintenance operations automatically on the client computers. This utility allows you to clean the local cache on old projects, for example on this folder. Automatically load the latest versions of certain files to optimize their daily use. Automate the archiving of extracted files that are commonly used. And automate the archiving of extracted files and re-extract them to make a backup. Or to empty the recycle bin of a PDM folder. The subfolders are automatically included in the destruction. Here I select the whole vault. Of course, the CacheRefresh utility can be adapted to different profiles and therefore different needs. To do this, you need to define several different rules depending on the type of profile to be processed. The actions can be triggered manually by double-clicking on the CacheRefresh utility from its location in Windows. It is also possible to schedule the triggering of this utility from a Windows system event.